I'm Mark, the Executive Chef for British Airways. Today I'm in Austin, Texas, preparing a special barbecue-themed menu for our customers to celebrate 10 years of flying between Austin and London. To get a true feeling of the Texas barbecue scene and how our customers can get a taste of it, I've met with Aaron Franklin, one of the world's best pitmasters, for some inspiration.
Top of the morning. Welcome to our above ground lair. Good to have you guys.
Thank you. It's great to be here. These all custom built. Well,
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So this one, Muchacho, was the first one, made out of a 1,000-gallon propane tank. It's the one with the flat top, so it's there. So in the wintertime, we can preheat our rib sauces and stuff because you don't want to put cold sauce on hot meat.
Has your method and recipes changed much? Because obviously you've been operating now for 14, 15 years.
The recipes haven't changed much, but the technique has, and just the little bag of tricks that you're always kind of working on. As a cook, it's I like this better. I'll try this. Well, this is kind of dry. How do we fix that? Well, this is overcooked. How do we fix that?
Well, that's the best part of being a chef, and you keep
That's
evolving.
the fun part.
The barbecue here at Franklin's is incredible. No wonder people line up down the block to savour it.
Brisket is probably the best brisket I've ever ate.
Where are you headed for this British Airways thing?
Well, we want to try and keep it authentic as possible to keep that Austin vibe going. Thinking about doing a nice little slaw in a little dish, then the entree with a couple of nice slices of the short rib, corn pudding, beans, and then a couple of little sides.
Yeah, that sounds great. And for something like this, I think if you guys are going to be serving on a plane, to get that barbecue flavor, I think you're going to need to hit the sauce pretty hard.
I've had an amazing time here in Austin. Such friendly people and incredible food. I can't wait for our customers to enjoy the taste of Texas on board. And throughout March, a limited edition bottle of Franklin's Original Barbecue Sauce will be available to our premium customers flying from Austin to London. I can't wait for you all to try it.